Whoa, Mr. Samuel's eating prunes. Is that good, dude? Special treat. Ooh.
He's like, should I be interested in the camera or the prunes? These are like pureed fig Newtons. Samuel. Oh!
I'm gonna smack that out of your hand. Just watch me. I got a little bit on my lip here, but I guess that's okay.